The E13 error code on a Braun Multiserve coffee maker indicates that the heating plate has failed to reach the optimum temperature for the drink being made. This is often caused by activating the incorrect drink brewing settings. To resolve the issue, the most common solution is to restart the appliance. There are two instances when the E13 error code appears: when the over ice setting is not activated or the carafe is not filled with ice when making an iced drink, and when the carafe is full of ice and a hot drink is being brewed, causing the heating plate to fail to reach its correct temperature. In both cases, restarting the coffee maker is the solution. To do this, switch off the appliance and unplug it from its power source. Then allow it to stay idle for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, re-plug it, switch it back on, and reset the time before using it again. This simple process should resolve the E13 error code issue.